37 next year. We've learned Arizona could be dealing with the nation's worst shortage of nurses.
I mean, it's one of the most important jobs out there. And unfortunately, a lot of the nation is dealing with. 12 News journalist Jade Cunningham joins us live in Phoenix with more on what's being done to try and keep this from happening. Jade?
Good morning. Yeah, this shortage for the state of Arizona is definitely not good news. The National Center for Health Workforce Alliance, they took a really close look at the numbers and they found that Arizona could see a shortage of nearly 30,000 nurses by next year, by 2025. That is actually a very large number. And if that is true, that could mean getting quality medical care within our state could be a huge challenge for so many people. So I spoke with Amber Cool. She's the associate provost at the Arizona College of Nursing, and this is actually video of one of their campuses. She says enrollment numbers are up there, and they are working hard to get nurses out into the workforce, but that ultimately this is going to have to be a team effort with all medical, healthcare, and educational establishments in Arizona. For example, nursing organizations like Abrazo Health, they have been holding hiring fairs continuously, but to get back to the education aspect of this, Cool says that education really is one critical factor in this, that it needs to focus on building resiliency, and Cool explains why.
And if we aren't focusing some of our curriculum, some of our strategies on grit, on resilience, on coping mechanisms, on how to support them, self-care, what that looks like so that when they go into the workforce, they're prepared for that and they have those mechanisms, I think that's what leads to burnout. So if we can, from an academic perspective, support students in understanding how to build resiliency and we're incorporating that into their academic program, then when they go into the workforce, they're less surprised.
You know, nursing school can be very intense for everyone involved. She says that's why support is necessary and so important. Mentoring programs, building those relationships can just be really beneficial in maintaining the nurse field. So, of course, she is very optimistic that the numbers will grow here in Arizona among nurses, but of course, only time will tell. Reporting live, Jay Cunningham, 12 News, Today in AZ.
It's also